Hi everyone, my name is Francesca Ferrando. I'm a professor of philosophy here at NYU Program of Liberal Studies, and I'm an author. And I'm very honored to be talking with all of you today about the main big question about enhancement. To enhance or not to enhance? I would also like to thank Professor Pramod Nayar for this wonderful invitation and to say hi to all the students and to India, to the Indian subcontinent. I am extremely happy to be reflecting with all of you about this inspiring topic. I'm going to base my lesson on 3 chapters. The first one comes from the last book. The book I just published is entitled The Art of Being Posthuman, published by Polity Press, and we are going to focus specifically on meditation number 3, which is called as biotic coemergencies. And in this meditation, we reflect a lot about the human genome. We're also going to focus on another chapter, chapter 25 of philosophical posthumanism. In chapter 25, I really address the topic of human enhancement, in many specific ways. For instance, how to regulate human enhancement, what is human enhancement, what is genetic discrimination, and so on. So if you're interested about human enhancement, you can find a lot of information here. And lastly, the main topic and narrative behind this lesson comes from this book, the Routledge Handbook of the Ethics of Human Enhancement. Specifically, my chapter is number 3, to be or not to be enhanced, just as the moon in posthuman terms. And here you're going to find a lot of interesting material about reflecting on the notion of human enhancement. I'm also going to divide this lesson in 3 parts. In the first part, we are going to introduce the topic, what is enhancement? Get ready. Once upon a time, the moon asked, who wants to be enhanced? Everyone on earth agreed. Yet, everyone was thinking of something different. A rigorous yogini living in the Himalayas wanted to become fully enlightened. Environmentalists from Costa Rica wish to maintain their beloved rainforest untouched. Most people wanted to be immune to viruses. That last pandemic had just been too much. The moon asked all beings. Most undomesticated non-human animals were just focusing on survival. Their habits were being destroyed. The technosphere had also something to share. So deeply, it reverberated in the viscera of the satellites. Everyone, everything, everywhere were committed to enhance their lives. Still, everyone had a different understanding of enhancing. The moon looked confused. What is enhancement? Think about this. What is enhancement? Is it an individual endeavor that can be reached in isolation? Is it a social project that must be regulated? Is it our drive as a species, which can be traced back to the appearance of the genus Homo over 2 million years ago? What do you think? From here on, we're going to go into a lot of different scenarios. We're going to address this bioethical debate from an ethical standpoint. I'm not going to offer the answer, but I'm going to offer a lot of opportunity for reflecting. Why is that? Because the debate on enhancement, specifically the debate on human enhancement, is happening right now and cannot be answered by just one person, a group of scholars, a group of politicians, or one nation. Because the whole discussion, the whole biotechnologies that are being developed at the moment are affecting the human genome, the planet, and so on. So it must be a discussion that is being raised at the planetary level, at the social level, at the species level, and at the individual level. So I'm going to ask as fun and inspiring assignments for this lesson to answer to some of the questions and scenarios that I'm going to pose in the second part of this lesson on enhancement. You can choose, I would say, minimum 3 of them, and be reassured that there are not right or wrong answers, but the need is for open discussions. In this second part of our lesson, we're going to focus on individual enhancement, social enhancement, species enhancement, human enhancement, planetary enhancement. And in the last part of our lesson, we're going to delve into existential awareness. Thank you so much, everyone, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in our video number 2, starting our reflection on human enhancement, from the individual to the species. My name is Francesca Ferrando, and I thank you all for watching this video.